Girl. What up, girl? What's up? I know, right? Say, what happened to that rapture today? What happened to the rapture? It didn't happen, huh? I know. Yeah. Well, what else you got to say? You have a good day today? Huh? Did you have a good day today? At the mall with mommy, daddy? Did you? Are you eating the camera string?
Alright.
I love you. Say night-night. You
Say mama. Say mama. I love you, pretty. I love you, pretty girl. Alright. See, now you gotta hold my head a little better than that. Why are you still near your mom? Why are you still near your mama? Baby. Oh my gosh.
Look at her, she's pulling herself around.